Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Long time no mixed media mayheming for me. But got a 3-day weekend, so we're going to try to squeeze some of these in. I'm going to use a page kit. It was one of the ones that I created. It was the 33rd one that I created. And I'm just desperately trying to use them all up. It is a Paige Evans one. We have some fun ephemera. And some other little tags, things to be fussy cut. And then some photos here of the China lights. I've got 1, 2, 3, as you've seen. It's going to be a very periwinkle layout. Look at this fun one, this, and this fun one. So that's all we got for papers. We're going to be using this sketch today. Jennifer created it for the group. So there's some fun mixed media, some splattering. We got a diagonal design and a circle. So I'm going to try to cut these into circles. Let's see. Boop. So let's see what we got. Now this is how I do my circles. Can I go bigger? Go big or go home, they say, right? So we can get that one in there. That one in there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these. I'm going to trace on the inside and then I'll trace on the outside for a border. So I'll be right back. Alright, let's do some mixed media. So I've got that. I did distress those a little bit, so I'm going to do a cluster of 3. We're going to stick them there. I've just slightly drawn those circles there so I know where to go. We got some Dusty Concord and my blending brush. And we're just going to go ahead. And I always start inside the area that's going to be covered so I don't end up with any harsh lines, right? So I'm just going to go over it with this. Be saying hello, YouTube land. Pretty much not. She's being moody. Where is my ink refresher? Let's just spray that on there, huh? You want to do that? Don't know if that actually did anything. Get that on there. So that when we put this back on here, we'll have a nice little haze. So I'm going to do that, and then looks like there's going to be more of a haze. I'm going to grab another color too because this is just not quite giving all the vibes that I was wanting. But we're going to finish it just to make sure we have the same color tones all the way around, right? So we get that one. Let's go with the darker purple. Let's do some venomous potion. That's what I'm looking for. deep concentration, right? Probably need to get a re-inker for that other one. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do down here in the corner as well. So we're just going to do this corner and that top corner because that's where we have some stuff going on. So let me finish all of this and we'll be right back. Alright. We kind of got a little carried away. We did a whole bunch of fun things. I'm going to add some gems in for a little bit of sparkle. Got a whole bunch of stuff tucked, so just so you remember, here is our sketch. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that now. Placement is everything. So, do hope that you guys enjoyed the layout today. Didn't really have a lot to embellish with because I remember that this collection I had pretty much used. I believe it's the one I used to make a whole bunch of mini albums, but we've got some titles and all kinds of fun stuff. I basically used everything off of here. I pulled nothing from that, which is fine. So we're just gonna take these. I have that left plus this one sheet there. We'll put this back in here and it will come out later when we do some more page kits. I need a paintbrush. We're gonna do, I wonder if I have any of that over here, because that would just be beautiful, wouldn't it? And I need some black sets so we can put our ink away. And I know somebody's going to comment and be like, you really didn't put the layout together on screen, and be like, I apologize. I just kind of tucked some stuff in, got a little carried away, and then realized that I had not remembered to hit play or record, basically. But that's because, you guys, I'm just taking a stainless steel letter opener and I am just mixing everything that has settled. So it doesn't mix. I'm just gonna get it all up from the bottom. Just kind of mix that around. Ooh, that is really in there and settled, but it does eventually mix up, right? See? And you know what I don't have? Is any? I need to go grab an old t-shirt. Because that's what happens. I'm out. I'm gonna make sure it's cleaned. So, do you see this right here? So this is the settled part. And I just open it up. I hold it down and I stick my stainless steel in there and I just start moving that around. Now this one is way less settled than that one. But this is also a good point on why we have to use our products. And unfortunately, these guys are so... I have not been in my craft room. I have not played with mixed media, you guys, in a really long time. And it is sad. but it is true and I'm dyeing my hand. Let me put that back. We're going to go in with the purple first. We're just going to cover it. That really big splatter right there. Oops. So we get some purple. Now we've got the black. And this is Distress. So clean that up, and that's gonna do it, you guys, for today's layout. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. And don't forget to check everybody else out. There's a master playlist that I will try to remember to link down below. But I did have fun, and it felt good to just create a layout for layout creating's sake. I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.